Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Ford F-150, specifically that generation year 2015, 16 and 17. If you guys have one of those and you have a problem where you're trying to find where the radio relay is located, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. We'll explain about a relay, we'll talk about fuses, where you can buy cheap fuses, relays and parts from, that way you do not waste your money, why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you guys a little bit about us. We will be making videos about every single fuse, every single relay, why things they do not work on that Ford F-150, why we do that guys, to save you time and money. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your truck does not want to start, you need to check where the fuel pump fuse is located or ignition coil fuse. You can easily look at our videos, spend a minute or two, watch the video, find out, fix it and get back on the road instead of being stuck in the middle of nowhere. Another thing, every single car that we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. Videos about that will be on our main YouTube channels. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers and over 10,000 videos that can save you guys thousands of dollars in future repairs. Something else, now if you guys need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at an amazing price and quick shipping, because you have some specific special Ford fuses like those double fuses that could be really hard to find in small towns, in part stores, and they can be really expensive, like those low profile, high profile JK's fuse relays. All that, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Check it out. So let's start on it now. So the radio relay, where it's located, we're going to demonstrate on a 2016 Ford F-150 here. You guys have two different fuse boxes. We'll first explain about fuses guys. If you have problems with your radio system, always check the fuses. But sometimes even if a fuse is good, what you need to do, you need to pull the fuse out, the system to reset, and then it can start working again. So if we come on the inside here guys, in the footwell on the passenger side under the glove box, that's a kick panel. Open that cover and you will see guys one fuse box layout that will look just like this one here. Now here guys, before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here, if we zoom in, next to each fuse guys, you have a number. You don't have any relays here. That's a big fuse for the power windows, but there is no relays. And right here, fuse number 33 is for the radio. If you have a problem guys, pull that fuse, even if it's not burned, that way the system will reset and it may start working everything correctly again. Another fuse box is under the hood, right behind the car battery. If you come here, that's the fuse box. Open that cover here and you will see guys a fuse box layout that will look just like this one here. Now here guys, if we zoom in, you have another fuse, that's number 14, that's for the radio and sound amplifier as well. Pull that fuse and see. If you check the relays, there is multiple relays, but none of this is for the radio. Your radio relay guys is practically integrated in the interior fuse box, that's the body control module, the BCM. So the function is part of there guys, you don't have a relay. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.